In isoelectronic species, chlorine minus argon and calcium 2 plus, size different due to, well, these are some questions which are very important, which comes from the P block, the K block and elements. That chemistry has a good weightage in JEE mains, so we need to learn this thoroughly so that we don't forget during the exam that these kind of question. You will get a lot of questions from this chapter, this topic. You need to go thoroughly through that, and you need to learn this P block elements patiently so that you won't forget. There's a particular linked between everything in the P block elements. So first of all, if we look at these species, they are isoelectronic species, right? Chlorine minus argon and calcium 2 plus, these all are isoelectronic species, so the number of electrons are same. If we look at the atomic number of these, then from that we have given one thing, that there is Cl minus, that there is an electron which is being subtracted from this. It means it is a reduction. Here in calcium, there are 2 electrons are being added. It means it is oxidation. It is the oxidated calcium. So the molecular number will increase, right? And argon, it is constant, so it won't. Its electron number won't. It won't be different from these. So the number of electrons are same, but size decreases due to the increase in atomic number, first thing, and second thing, the nuclear charge. If we will look at the nuclear charge in this, then chlorine has this, then size of argon, then there are 2 plus ions. It means that due to the nuclear charge, the size of these isoelectronic species is increasing in nature. Hence, we can say that size different due to the increase in the nuclear charge. We can say this because let's look at the other options we have. Principal quantum number. No, this is not an ideal approach, because a principal quantum number is different. That is sp2, sp3, sp1. It is not applicable in the case of P block elements in here. Magnetic quantum number. No, magnetic quantum number is also not applicable because it contains the property of magnetism. But these elements doesn't come under the category of magnetic blocks in the block, in the P block. Electronic repulsion in valence shell. No, electronic repulsion is not happening in here because we can simply say that nuclear charge is varies, so the size would be different, and the atomic number is also different. We have the same electronic number of electrons, but the nuclear charge and atomic number varies. So atomic number we don't have in here, but we have this nuclear charge, so we will go with the nuclear charge. Nuclear charge is the solution.